Meaning of feeling.
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 Feeling. Feeling refers to the subjective experience of emotions and sensations. It is a complex psychological phenomenon that involves the integration of physical, cognitive, and emotional processes. Feelings can range from pleasant to unpleasant and can be influenced by a variety of internal and external factors such as mood, environment, and social interactions. They play a crucial role in shaping our behaviors, thoughts, and actions and help us respond adaptively to our surroundings. Ultimately, feelings serve as a powerful tool for understanding ourselves and the world around us.